to the good days, here's to the sorrows. Alright you guys, so we are heading over to the CB2 Crate and Barrel outlet. It is in the San Diego area, which I don't live too far from, so I'm hoping we don't catch any traffic. Or probably, oh, this hair, stop by and get some coffee, right babe? Or we're gonna eat?
Starbucks first.
Starbucks stop first. You guys, I'm mostly excited to go see if I find a dining table because I have not received my dining table nor my dining chairs yet. So if we find something that we really like, we're just gonna cancel our order and get the dining table there. So yeah, but coffee first. I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, I got my coffee. I'm gonna share with you guys my coffee order because I do get asked a lot. What do I drink? I drink the same drinks, you guys, over and over. I just rotate them. Whatever I'm in the mood for, that's what I get. This is the sugar-free vanilla iced coffee with half and half extra ice, and I do add a little bit of caramel drizzle in there, which I know it's not healthy. I am, you know, watching how I eat and drink. I have been now for a few months, so I like to get the sugar-free coffee, but I add just a little bit of caramel drizzle to give me that sweetness that I love. And yeah, this is a grande. I don't get ventis anymore. I stopped drinking ventis. I like iced coffees a long time ago. I only get grandes now. If you guys ever do see me with a venti cup, it's because I get extra ice and they just choose to put it in a grande cup. But yeah, that I'd share with you guys. And if I'm not drinking a sugar-free vanilla iced coffee, I'm drinking a cold brew, most likely. So okay, we're here finally. I have been wanting to come for so long. I'm excited. Ooh, we got parking right in the front. Yay! Okay, so we're here. Wow, huge warehouse. Okay, so this is the Crate and Barrel one. I see a lot of coffee tables. Okay, you guys know I only love sharing with you guys the pieces that I feel are definitely worth coming to the outlet for. Look at this one. This is pretty. I love the texture. Let's see. Ivory concrete coffee table 5. Oh, it's going for $4.19. See, this is a pretty good. Ooh, okay. So let's talk about why they're at the outlets. You guys know that I always point out whatever damages they may or may not have. A lot of them are returns,
So the longer they
floor
stay here,
samples.
the longer they stay here, the more they go on sale. So this one is $188 now.
Wow, that is cheap.
So it's 70% off.
Hey, but you could even use these for the outside. They don't technically have to be inside. Look, babe, there's another one over there. I really like this coffee table, but this one's damaged too.
You could put two of these together and make it.
Oh, make a huge coffee table, you guys. Eddie, light bulb. Okay, so this one, wow, they marched it down even more. 60% off. I know it's chip, you know, but it kind of goes with the whole design. No, but that's just too much. Okay. They have these really big circular ones that I really like over here. This one with a good clean? Not too bad. It is a little bit damaged though.
People are stepping on it.
I know. Here's a small one. Babe, this one's $219, you guys. That's not bad. Okay, so look at this. It has the small chips. I want to share with you guys in case you think of making the drive out here. I think it's still worth it. You can fix that up. Pretty. Ooh, I like this. Is it too soon to buy patio furniture? How much, babe? Okay, 30% off. So it was $18.47 and it's $12.92. That's not bad for this gigantic piece. Look at the details. Oh, I love this. I love this set. Does this part come included? It's separate?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I really like this one. It's really pretty. Oh, and I'm sure it's performance fabric, so it's really easy to maintain. Babe, I like it a lot. There's no damages to it either. Really pretty. Ooh, there's a chair over there. This is a good size console. It's huge. It's going for $8.39. Retails for $13.99. This is big. Good for an entryway. Okay, lots and lots of mirrors. Really, really pretty mirrors. Let's see. How much are they going for? Okay, let's see this one. 314. Retails for $449. That's not bad. I paid way more for the one that I got. And I got at the outlet too, you guys, at the West Elm outlet. Huh, that looks like the Restoration Hardware one. It's marked down 40% off. $659. It's not heavy, huh? I could tell just by you moving it slightly. Okay, so there is two sides, you guys. Keep that in mind. If you come to the outlets, there's two sides. We are on the second side now. Woo! How much?
$11.50.
Ah, that's not that big of a discount. Still pretty, though. Look at all the decor. Okay, let's look at the decor, because you guys know Mama loves decor. Oh, the sofa?
Yeah.
Oh, look at these Tavern paper holders. They're $17. A lot of this stuff is still being carried at the retail stores, you guys, which is great because you save money. Like that piece right there, I've seen it at the retail store. It's still pricey though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This just stole my heart. This is gorgeous. It is going for $1,019. Ooh, that's beautiful. I see no damages, huh?
It's in good condition.
It's in really good condition. Babe, it literally says heavy.
Yes.
Look, it's the boucle chair. Oh, this one's damaged. But you know what? They're super easy to clean. How much is it going for?
But you can't clean that though.
No, this is really damaged. Oh, it must be really cheap.
$440.
That's not that cheap. Oh my gosh. I love our boucle chairs. I love them. They have a ton. Look, they have blue ones. Oh, look at this one. $549. Cute. These are gorgeous. How much are those? Ooh, look at these, Sonny. Bring it out. That's nice. It doesn't say?
No, there's right here.
They have a ton of bar stools to choose from. $279? That's not bad. Okay, I like this one. Oh, it's damaged though, look. Okay, right here. This one's pretty. $539. Oh, this one's $507. It's still damaged too from the top. You see that? Oh, the bottom too. This is such a cool table though. We had seen this one before at the retail store and we really liked it. Oh, so sad it's damaged. Beautiful. You guys see what I see? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you're an OG, you know how obsessed I've been with this table for years. So it's going for $849. So I'm assuming they price it based on the damages, right?
The condition of it.
This one's more. This one's $1,019. It retails for $16.99. So you do save a little bit of money. I actually want this table for our house. Oh, beautiful. Okay, these people scored. So it's already sold, but let me show you guys how much it's going for. $739.
80% off.
Wow. Crazy. Oh, I've always wanted this piece. I am obsessed that they have pieces that are actually being carried in the retail stores right now. So this one is going for, let's see, $419. That's not bad, you guys. This will look amazing in an office space, in a bedroom, in a closet. Oh, the infamous sheep chair. How much is it going for?
$1,000.
Oh, that's still a lot. Oh, look, there's another one, babe. There. This one. Same? Okay, here is the double one, which looks just as amazing. How much is this one?
$7.99.
That's not bad. It's actually not
It retails
in bad
for
condition.
$2,000.
Okay, but this is the thing, you guys. Eddie and I are thinking that maybe these might be defective. There's way too many of them here. Way too many. Maybe, yeah, they're all damaged. They're beautiful, though. I love the stone. That's really what I love. You guys know I am boucle obsessed. And honestly, their boucle pieces are in really good condition, except for the Gwyneth chair. But the rest is in really good condition. They're just dirty. That's it. How much? Yeah, I'm not surprised. This is like brand new. It must have been a return. $11.39, retails for $18.99. Cute. They have a lot of play. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just left the outlet. I finally made my way out here. So many of you guys had been tagging me and asking me when was I gonna make my way to the Crate & Barrel outlet. And let me tell you guys, 1 out of 10, it is a high 10. They had a ton of good pieces. It might be just because they recently opened it, I don't know, but make your way out here. I loved so many of the pieces on the CB2 side. Obviously, you guys know that CB2 is my jam. Like, I love CB2, so I was really excited to come see what they had. I fell in love with a ton of their pieces that I cannot wait to come back and get my hands on some of these pieces for myself, except right now you guys know that I'm not furniture shopping because I am house hunting, so I really want to wait. But if you have your home and you are looking to buy furniture and you don't want to pay full price, make your way to the outlet. I do want to say though, please keep in mind that a lot of these pieces are slightly damaged. We kept trying to find the best pieces to share with you guys, but they were damaged. So just keep that in mind before you guys make your drive out here and you're like, Brenda, what happened? They're really damaged. Well, yeah, just keep that in mind. But other than that, there was a lot of good pieces in really good condition. Like, I fell in love with their side tables. They had a lot of good sofas. They had a ton of decor. I didn't bring any of the decor home with me because I didn't see anything that I really wanted to, you know, purchase, but they had a lot of good ones. Like those taper candle holders were really good. They had the taper candles. They had a ton of pillows. They had a ton of like kitchen pieces also. So 100% recommend to make the drive out here, you guys. I'll put the location down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and come check it out. I am definitely gonna be making my way back very soon to come pick me up some new pieces for my home, or hey, just for my apartment, who knows. But you guys need to make your way over here. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys enjoy these shop with me's. And recently I've been loving going to the outlets to see what's new. Let me know down below what store you guys want me to hit up next. I've been thinking of going to different stores out of my niche, maybe Hobby Lobby, At Home. I want to go to IKEA. I haven't been to IKEA in a minute. I want to go see what's new, what they have in store. So let me know down below. But if you guys are loving these videos, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until next time, I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now